Hey everybody. Just doing a quick avatar test, and it looks like Holly's actually in world. She was just texting me saying that she can see me in this avatar. It looks like her avatar is not properly moving on my side, so it doesn't mean it's not moving on her side. So let me go into quick.
Hello.
Hey, so I'm actually recording just to show Ari what we're getting on each side. So your avatar on my side is actually still down at the bottom where the fountain is, and it's like
Okay.
it looks like you're like stuck in a wall trying to walk. So are you actually walking up inside the space?
I just got over to I was near I'm in the trees, but I was over near a wall.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm just gonna I don't know what I pressed, but suddenly my
There you go.
person starts walking slower.
Okay, so that's shift. Click shift.
Oh, okay.
Looks like still okay. There
Oh
you
yeah.
go. Now
No,
you're
I
running.
can go
Okay, so
faster.
maybe that was just a there wasn't a problem. Okay.
Okay. I'm trying to get my sound up a little louder. Is that better?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine.
Okay. Yeah. Because actually the fountain was so loud I could hardly
Yep,
hear you.
it is loud down there. Yeah, so if you what you got to do is go up the stairs. There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, I thought I was. Oops. I thought I was headed to. Oh, there they are. Okay. I thought I was headed towards them before, and I started going down a trail by accident.
So I thought there was actually an issue with the avatar system navigation or syncing where we're supposed to be. Yeah, and if you go
Oh.
around the corner, yep. I purposely
Okay.
made it a bunch of flight of stairs for everybody to get really good at navigating their avatars.
Yeah. Yeah. And
Oh,
I haven't been in a long time. Oh, am I going the right way?
oh, yeah, you got to come back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the stairwell's down right here. Yeah,
Oh,
over this way.
just a second here.
Yeah, follow me this way.
Okay. Yeah. Over a bit.
Oh, so I don't know if you are following me, but your avatar is going in a totally different direction.
Uh, just a second here. Am I coming towards you now?
You're against a wall.
Uh, I don't know. I don't usually have trouble finding my way around, but
It's been a while since you've been in platform.
yeah. Okay, now this is the stairs to go down, so
Yeah,
that's not the right.
yeah.
That's not okay. And
That's,
then oh, there you are.
yep.
Yeah, okay.
And we're gonna go right here, stairwell up.
Okay, now what I need to do is change my uh, view here.
Yeah. So hold the right clicker down on your mouse, and then
Okay,
that'll control the view, so that way you can see where you're going.
okay, okay.
There
So
you go.
now
Yep. So we're gonna go up this stairwell. There you go.
good grief, this is crazy.
You'll get better at.
I, I,
So
I don't remember.
keep in mind, Ari said that you can actually use an Xbox controller with this as well. So
Oh yeah,
that might be a
yeah,
little easier than using WASD and then the mouse and everything.
yeah. True. Oh, okay, finally. Good gracious, that was crazy.
Out on that little corner right there.
Okay.
To the
I think
left a
I'm
little.
okay. Okay. And then
You
now.
want to jump? See if you can jump out. Looks like you're stuck in a collision right now.
Oh.
You snagged a collision and now your avatar's stuck in it. Looks like. Go
Oh,
ahead,
really?
back up. Hit S. Yeah,
Okay.
you're stuck in a collision now. You might have to select a different avatar to get out of that.
Oh, okay. All right. Just here. Choose character. I'll be Lisa this time. Right. Kind of fun. Oh, there.
See.
On the. Okay. And then I'll just. Oh, I still.
Yeah.
No, I still have that attached to my leg, I think. Or.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
You're stuck
Yeah.
in the. You're stuck in. So I got to move that over. All right. So what you're gonna have to do is just hit the T button, quit tour, and then come back in.
Okay. All right. Be right back.
Yep. See that disappear.
So now I will come in as that pink girl again.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the start is at the very bottom.
Okay. All right. So I need to get my view better. And now I can
Understand how you got stuck in it. I don't. My avatar doesn't get stuck on the. But I'm wondering. Just wondering when exit out again. You know. Makes me wonder if yep. Oh, there's Ari. Here, let me.
Oh, okay. She's here too?
Yep. She just loaded in.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm by these. I'm not sure how to get away from those.
add her to this call.
Okay.
It's her.
Oh yeah, no, I know where I'm supposed to go. I'm not all the way upstairs yet. Got to quit going through those buildings.
Like she's loading it.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna give her another whirl here. Try not to get into the wall. Whoops. Darn it. You know what? I think I did it again. Yeah, I still have that thing following me around. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna try changing characters again and see if that helps. Be a different pink girl this time. Yeah, no, I still have that thing following my leg.
What's falling? What's on the leg?
I have that text box still with my. It doesn't say system. It didn't connect.
Yeah.
I didn't notice that I wasn't connected this time. So should I just try it one more time?
Yeah, just exit out and come back in. I don't.
Okay.
I mean, I see Ari in World.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if she's connected. Let's see.
Is it
Tell you what,
faster?
I'm gonna go into the XR Bastard Discord voice, and that way everybody can join us on the call.
Oh, okay,
We
sure.
got more
Okay.
people trying to get in
Okay,
or speak.
so we'll be on stage 1, right?
Yep,
Okay,
that's where I'll
sounds
be. Okay, can you hear me, Holly?
yeah, I can.
All right, so Ari should be coming. I see Susan. She was.
Oh, okay. And I didn't know if I was supposed to let anyone else know. I assumed that you
Well, I mean,
messaged.
no. I'm just. This is just on the fly. There's no set date or
Oh,
time for this, so
okay.
I just sent it out to a couple
Uh,
people, and they said, "Okay, let's test it out." So, but we will do an actual test with more people.
okay. Because Mantis was going to help yesterday, and so was Marvin.
Yeah, I mean, you can send them the link to it. Let's
Okay.
see. By RE2. Let's see. Invite.
I think I'm going to go right out because when I'm just going back to the first screen where you choose your character to start your tour,
Mm-hmm.
it's not me.
Hmm.
So I'll try right out this time.
All right. No. I'm just gonna share
Oh,
my screen too. Oh, hey, there you are, Ari. Let me just share my screen. So everybody can
okay.
see what I can see here. There we go. So it looks like your avatar's in world.
You're not responding to my moving. Hold on. No,
Here,
you're not
hey, load,
responding to my movement.
hey, load back in.
You move. You move. Change your avatar.
Yep.
I'm not seeing you. I don't know why.
Okay. Let me just quit tour and I'll come back in. Got Holly online too here. She was in world.
I'm not tested from multiple machines at home.
Okay.
So
So
I
the
know. Now I see you.
okay,
Now I see you.
and I don't see you. So we're in different.
Hold on. I think I know. I think I know what's going on. Let me just try
Oh,
something.
there you are. No, I see you.
See, it just takes a few minutes. Remember, whenever you join the world, you're only gonna. It's gonna take you a while to see me. Otherwise, your machine will get slammed. If you do see me early, you might see the silver avatar, but that's temporarily. In about 8 to 12 seconds, you will see my avatar change.
Got it.
That's without that. And if everybody is ready player me, we could crash that buffer, and we don't want to do that. And I can't control that buffer.
So I notice when it says sys welcome, does that mean that the server's connected?
That usually means that you got into my code where I connect to chat. And if you get to my code where you connected the chat, then you're on your way to the code to connect the photon. That's why it's a good indicator. If you do not see chat, then the pathway to the photon code has been broken. You're not there. It's also the case that if when you log in, you do not see automatically me bringing up the change your avatar screen, that also means that you've broken out of the path somehow. Which is possible when Unreal loads somebody and they didn't use our system to load. You know, Unreal tries to fix things for you. So, and that will happen a lot of times when, you know, like when the start points are bad. It chose the spot, loaded an avatar, but it affects the use of the lobby control, the player controller, and without it knowing it to select the correct player controller, that's it. We got no logic. You got the default player controller logic that it's automatically generating, which sort of lets you walk around, but we can't see you. You can't see us. You know what I'm saying?
So it looks like, and you said X is to get out of there.
Yep. And everything seems to be animating. I'm seeing my animations on your screen. And these seem to be good in timeline. And I'm seeing yours on my screen. And I'm seeing your changes quickly too. And I see someone else is in here.
Well, that's Holly.
So that, yeah, I'm in here.
So Holly, if you can come over where we're at and see if you can do the emotes. So on the top of your keyboard, 1 through 0 is going to be the emote selection. There you go.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
We see ya. We see ya emoting. You're emoting.
What I see is one of you stuck up in the air.
That will change. That will change. Oh, it takes a few minutes. That's because you came into a scene with avatars already, and it takes time for it to pick up what our avatar looks like, and it will take time to pick up on our movement.
Oh, cool. Okay, now if I want to quit, if I want to change to a different emote, do I?
You can either hit a different emote key, or you can hit X to stop.
Oh, okay.
Right over there.
Yep, I see her.
Right over there.
She's in a perfect position in both of our screens, so it's a matter of time for her to catch up, her system to catch up with us. It takes time.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
The best thing to do is always make sure you move around a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That is also another way to kind of push the system to sync a little faster.
Okay.
The system will sync really fast whenever we do a change avatar. Again, I'm always looking for strategic points to update without going into some infinite loop of always checking and therefore burning up all the bandwidth. So we're doing these little compromises to accommodate that kind of thing.
Okay.
But I'm seeing identical placement on both my screen and DNA's, so looking good.
Good.
Go ahead, try the dance moves, the emotes on the top. See how.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like the very first one worked for me, but now it doesn't. The X to stop it, and I can't seem to start one.
Try moving your avatar. There you go. Okay, now.
Yep, we see you move. We see you move. Now try.
Now try.
And
you're hitting one of the number keys, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's weird.
Well, just a second. Oh,
there
you know what? I forgot.
You were hitting the number pad, right?
I was hitting the function.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nope. These are the number keys.
Okay, that is cool. Yeah. So now I can switch between them all without.
Yep. And then when you're done emoting altogether, we still have movement control enabled, and I did that just so that you could like more fine-tune placement. Otherwise, you'd have to like move, start the animation. Oh, it's not quite right. Move, start the animation. I figured it'd be easier if you could just kind of move around and position yourself, you know, where you want. It'd just be easier.
It's like a mice skating.
Well, you said you liked the ice skating. I brought it back.
Yeah, I see.
There, you see?
I gotta get a
You can ice skate while you emote. There you go. See? You wanted a feature, and you got it back. There you go. Well, that would be good for like a roller seat. See, that's one of the reasons you don't automatically turn off motion. Because let's say that you had a roller skating animation playing.
Yeah.
That would look okay.
How's
You know what
that?
I'm saying?
Yeah.
There you are, ice skating on water.
Well,
And you know what's funny? This avatar looks just like Snow. I gotta show him this video. Say, Snow, we had you skimming on water.
It actually looks pretty good on the video. You know, if you zoom in and out, sliding like that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually cool.
I'll make this a video.
Everything seems to be working. I noticed when I walked around the building by myself, possibly a little bit of lag. I don't know for sure. I didn't check. So be cautious if you bring other people into this particular experience. You know, this one probably not going to handle a lot of people. And I'm running on a beast of a machine, so
Me too.
you got to be real careful about bringing people in here with a weaker machine. Especially a lot of them, they might have some troubles.
So let's go. You want to test the sip points upstairs?
We can do that.
Holly, if you can make it upstairs, I know you're just learning the navigation here.
yeah. But yeah, I'll there.
It's gonna be in the far back room.
Okay.
I didn't put them in every single room.
Well, pretty easy for me to figure out which one it is
Yeah.
from the chairs. Seems to be working. I see you sitting. You see me sitting. Yep.
On an angle.
You know what I gotta do? You notice how you see the E message above my head?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we gotta fix that so only you see the E message for your avatar instead of everybody seeing it. That's an easy fix.
Yeah. So
That's something I'll throw on the list of, you know, weekly builds.
so on my side, you're kind of like off to the side.
Yeah.
Sure.
Let me just stand here.
Maybe
Let
it's
me reset.
maybe a collision.
It's probably a collision. Remember, we're just throwing the avatars in the scene, so I'm probably colliding with something and it pushed me over.
Yeah.
That's the thing I want to remind you, that when you're seeing my avatar walking around, if I walk around a corner and the avatar system doesn't make it around the corner and hits the wall, the avatar sits there walking against the wall.
Mm.
That's kind of the compromise. I'm thinking, yeah, we're probably got a collision going on there, because I'm clearly in the chair.
On your side,
On my side, yes,
Okay,
I am
so-
clearly
so-
in the chair.
just a sinking. Sinking.
Yeah. And the problem is, again, I could be absolute, but that would kill performance. So, it's like I see you running against a table
Oh, you.
right this second.
you
Even though I know you got your avatar for me got stuck in the room. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It happens. What is going to happen is it's got to eventually make it out the room for me. That's one of the difficulties about really narrow spaces. Now you made it out the room for me. You see exactly what I was talking about?
Just has to catch up.
Let's catch up. And probably if you're running in a building, it's gonna get the avatar is gonna get behind. So maybe when you're in a building, just make sure you're walking. That might help sync a little better.
I just crashed.
Okay. It's good to know.
We're still going good.
So
But again, as I said, this environment is stressful.
yeah.
It's
Well, this
stressful. You are almost in one of the pushing the avatars to the edge to see what breaks level in here.
this is the light, the park light, and then I added trees on the outside because I couldn't figure out how to
Alright.
change the LOD.
Well, the problem, the park light says things like 60 frames per second if you're the only one in the demo. You have more in this scene than a demo. We've got an avatar system in here. We've got other things happening in bandwidth wise. And the original park was 25 or 30. But that was on purpose, because I knew that would stress the system.
hmm
So this environment is I think it's going to push it more at the individual machine level. Like we're still going strong, but Holly machine couldn't keep up.
Yep.
So you got to be aware of that testing. That's why when we get the event built up, we got to test to see how many people we can get in there before things get wonky. And that's the only way we're going to figure that out is when we got the actual build and we try to see how many avatars we can get in there. We look at frames per second. We look at people with different types of machines to see how things see. Yep, so I see you on the table. Like I said, if it catches up, it catches up. But it would have been possible for me to see you running into the table if somehow your avatar in my scene got hung up on the table's collision. You see what I'm saying? You could have been by the side of the table doing all those motions. And that's because of the estimating nature of the avatar system.
Well, it's working. It's the main thing.
Yeah, you're looking good to me right now because you're definitely not running into the like side collisions. Once it's got you in the right spot, it's doing a good job of reproducing it.
Well, this is we're ready for we got some meetings next week, so all I need to do is create scene that I can get other avatars in.
Yeah.
So
And I've gotten 3 in on my machine, and they look pretty good.
see if I start. So I could start up another instance on my computer.
You could, yeah. Yeah, so could I. So could I.
Let's try that.
Start another instance. Let's get 4 in here.
Yeah, got that fatal error again. But I still have that heat problem. So
What do you mean?
I think
On your computer?
well, I still have. Yeah.
You could have an issue with your computer. It's getting hot because Don said his computer was getting really hot, and now his new card that he's got says he's good to go. All right, so I see a blue.
That's me. That's my second avatar.
All right, and I came in as a metahuman, and it looks like everything's connected on the server. Let's see.
Yep.
Yep. Just toggle that off. All right. Go up.
Yeah. See, we're in the building, but the avatar system's still trying to catch up to figure out where those avatars go. It takes a few minutes. One of the reasons they're in the air is because I threw those player starts really high. We may want to bring them down just a little bit.
Okay.
And so they won't look so much in the air while they're adjusting. Trying to bring myself in here. Where am I
see someone right here. Is that you, Holly?
Yep, that's my second
Oh, that's
avatar.
your second avatar.
And I'm following your second avatar, and we're heading into that room. Or no, that's the other room. It's upstairs, isn't it?
No, down here.
Yeah. Was it?
Yep.
Thought it was upstairs.
Oh, yeah, my bad. That's right.
Yeah, I gotta go upstairs to see if we can get all 4 of them in the same shot.
Right.
And remember, we're gonna lag a little bit now because we're doing 2 on the same computer.
Let's see. Oh, I crashed on the other one.
I haven't crashed yet.
Start up the other.
I'm gonna grab my other avatar and bring it into the central area. I see you guys. Alright, I see my other one.
And plus it up to. Oh,
Yeah, so I see the one you just came in on.
that's probably why I crashed, because the other one was only on 2. Okay. See. Up in the air. I'm not too worried about that right now. But on the next edit that I do, I'll definitely move down.
Yeah, we want to move them down because that way they won't look so high in the air. I just kept them high so I knew that the load points would be good. Yeah, the problem is we really can't do 2 at the same time anyway, because that's gonna be laggy. But yeah, I'm seeing you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. How many you think you can do at a time? 4?
I don't know. Yeah, well, obviously the environment. Maybe we could do 4 in a better environment, but
Oh wow.
might be a little tough in this environment.
See myself move on the other screen even.
Yep.
It's pretty good. Well, that's a good test. It's been a while since we've done a test.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do. And hello.
Hello.
Yep. See it there.
This is that one. And the other one. Yep, there's both of mine. Oh, we guess I made the right one here.
See my.
Oh wait, there we go.
Computer's
Yep.
burning up.
I didn't put a name on the other one. Yeah. This environment is pushing machines. So multiple environments here, same machine, gonna be a little rough. Like if you had 2 computers side by side, it probably wouldn't be too bad. I did do a test like that, by the way. I have 2 machines. I was running the app on one machine and running it on the other. So they would be more instantaneous. It was just a network, and that was working. But most people don't have multiple machines, so.
All right, so I think.
And again, remind people to put their name in, or you're not gonna be able to tell who's typing what.
Right. And you're.
But yeah, looking good.
And you're able to download it pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
3.3 gigs.
I think it was about 3.3. Yeah, something like
It's
that.
actually pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I noticed, yeah, okay, well, it's a good test. I would like to try test with more avatars, so, and see what we think is the max for this, because we're going to use this one to demo landlot presentations and stuff.
I don't. I'll just warn you. This thing is heavy.
Yeah, maybe
It is heavy. I can't say it any other way. It's heavy.
maybe get rid of the environment and just keep the
The
building.
the park is heavy. Really heavy.
Even the
Yeah.
light one?
Read the specifications underneath the light one. Does that look, that's in the marketplace?
Yeah.
And ask yourself this question: does that mean this is really light? No, it just means it's lighter.
Lighter.
But it is not light, not at all. When someone says 50 minutes to compile shaders,
That's heavy.
we improved it from 24 to 30 frames per second to 60. That's with one avatar, one person, one app. What does that tell you? And that's the demo. You know what I'm saying?
Trying to get where the camera shows the face. Always goes to the middle of the there we go.
Well, we don't have anything other than default camera controls. There's no. I mean, that's a whole other feature. You want to get into custom camera? That's another feature. Right now, it's out of the box camera. But I'm seeing you just fine.
That moves pretty good.
And it looks like you see my avatar just fine as well.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Seems like these don't have any break in the loops either. It's really good. Let's see. Nope. There it is. Tell. Over there.
Yep.
Where are you going?
Go over there.
Over there.
No, it's over there.
Where's the bathroom? It's over there. Okay. Not gonna tell you again. It's over there. Plain. All right. Good job.
It's over there.
Yeah. I noticed that.
No, it's over there. It's over there.
Okay. Wow, that's a very aggressive. Hey, over here.
It's running pretty well, considering we got a busy building
Yeah.
with glass walls. You know what glass walls mean? Sees the park, has to res the park. Doesn't have any choice. And, yeah, a busy park.
Let's see. Yeah, I think we're all set. So we can get on to the next phase, which I know you're already.
I'm already on the next
I
phase.
know.
What are you talking about? Why do you think I keep asking you about the event build? The event build. I'm not trying to be annoying,
That'll be
but
next.
but I'll say it one more time, just because. Event build. There we go. I said it.
Event build. Well, this took me. It didn't take long to get it put together, but it took time to render it out.
The park? Oh
This one.
gosh, yes. Oh, I think on a medium computer it's 15 minutes to render alone. I did it in about 30. And another machine, a really old machine,
Oh.
well, yeah, I don't even want to go get a cup of coffee, some donuts. You ain't seeing it for a while. And when it takes 30, 40, 50 minutes to render the shaders alone, you've got a heavy scene. Pretty much guaranteed.
So once we get instance picking or the matchmaking and spatial
And it's
audio,
just going to autofill. Remember, that's not going to be anything fancy. That's just going to autofill.
right?
Autofill rooms. Like if we had only 2 people allowed in this scene, we would have spun off another one right now. Yeah. And we'll probably test with simple numbers like that first and then start upping the number. But that's really what the matchmaking part is. It's a really basic matchmaking. Because anything more specific is implementation dependent. I mean, really, it is. I mean, you would use different rules for a game, different rules for an event, different rules for just walking around the store. I mean, that's custom. That's custom matchmaking, and the more you can make those kind of decisions outside, the better, because you don't want the avatar system to start have to keep track of. Oh, I'm going to do the custom event mapping here, and that's just not a good separation of concerns. So, and right now, by default, I will be assuming the answer to the web question. You are a valid Rhino user. Yes. This event is now active. Yes. And you have a ticket or access token, whatever you guys want to call it. Yes. And then, and only then, does it say you can join the room. And then it will go to the matchmaking and make sure that there's room for you in the room. If there's not enough room in there for you, it will make a new room and put you in it, and put anyone who follows you in it. It's going to be pretty simple, pretty basic. But we don't have time. We really, really do not have time for anything overwhelming.
Right.
You got to get it built, get it running, and test, and adjust. Just like we had to go through those weeks of adjusting the avatar system, we're going to have to adjust and adjust till we get it just right.
Yeah,
So we'll spend more time adjusting than we necessarily maybe coding the matchmaking.
right.
But it's going to take tweaking. So, and I want to make sure we have time to do that because it's really, really vital. We don't slam everyone into the same room. We know that's going to cut. That's not going to work.
Right. Got to have them trickle in.
Right.
Awesome. Well, all right. I appreciate your time, and I would say this is good to go.
Yep.
Do
Looks
you
good.
want to do a couple more tests with some other people with their computers, just to kind of like get an idea of what they're using and?
Well, you can have people do their tests, yeah, if you want to. But just be aware, testing here will have nothing to do with testing in the stadium. That's totally independent testing, okay? And whatever you see here, caveat, this place is harsh on the avatar system,
Yeah.
harsh on people's computers.
Yeah.
And you said to yourself, your machine is cooking.
Yeah, it is. Right. It is. Let me
So.
feel. Yeah, the fan's definitely on.
All right. Well, I'll catch you later.
Thank you very much for your time.